For most of us, the day has finally come where UPS have delivered our new GoPro Hero Black with a SanDisk micro SD card of 32 gig, which is 4K ready and works with GoPro themselves. Nice little addition, although you can only pick them up on Amazon for about 10 quid. I've also got a package with mine that includes some other goodies which I want to show some people, as they're a lot cheaper than the GoPro equivalent. Here is the GoPro 8 Black. Still, here's the protective wrapper. So let's get it out of this protective wrapper and I'll show you the box. Let's see what we get inside of the box. Now, doing this one-handed is quite difficult, although there's an easy tab at the back that we can simply tear off. What are the chances we can do this one-handed? 0. Little tab here that I guess we can pull. I've already damaged the box, which is really useful in case I need some of that. Right. After damaging the box and my dreams, here we are. The GoPro 8 is out of the box on its little stand. Isn't going anywhere. So what else do we get inside of the box? Well, we get GoPro Plus. For some reason that was a bit of a mouthful. A instruction manual that I will not be reading. How we take it off the actual stand itself. How we can access the battery port. And if we have any questions, we know where to go. And a few cool little stickers. We also have stand, USB-C cable, and a small battery. And that's everything. So let's take the GoPro 8 off its stand. So if you pre-ordered, you also got a 32 gig micro SD card, which is quite handy for those people that just want to get it and kind of plug in and play. So I wanted some accessories for the GoPro Hero 8 Black, but I didn't want to spend GoPro prices on them, so I bought an accessory pack off eBay. Now these is the underwater diving kit effectively. So we've got some different coloured lenses, 3 different coloured lenses, which is quite useful. We have a 45-metre waterproof housing. Have a useful carrying case, a rubberized kind of protective shield for the GoPro. I'll always keep mine in this because just to protect it. And then the most useful thing here, especially now we can't change the actual lens itself, is that we have some GoPro Hero 8 glass, which is effectively what the stuff that goes on your phone that stops it from cracking. So we have some of that, which is really useful for all of the screens on the GoPro. So we're definitely going to need that. And then I'm not sure what that is. Either way, I'll get a nice little cleaner too. All of this for £18 is quite good. And I've also bought a car mount for car vlogging. Again, this cost £11. whereas the GoPro equivalent costs 30. So this small pack here, I've saved myself 40 quid. However, is it worth it? Well, I'm sure we'll find out now. For the price, it definitely forms a good seal. This closes down and then this locks it in place. For the price, that's quite a good system. Also comes with another bracket, quite useful. Also get the rubberized one. Again, this is what the GoPro for me will be sitting in all the time. This is what I am going to do first, before I place it in the rubberized little container, is I want to put the screen protector on, just so it doesn't ever get cracked. So these are the different things that we get in the protecting kit. We get a small piece of glass, one that's slightly bigger, one that's slightly bigger again, and then the biggest. We get some sticker guides on how to apply it, a dust absorber, which quite usefully says how to use it. Get 2 of those, get some cleaning wipes and a little microfiber cloth to clean it with. So let's put that on the camera. And there we go, all of the protective screens are on the GoPro Hero 8. I made sure I used the wet one for 30 seconds on each of the screens, then cleaned it off with a dry one. I wouldn't bother with the guides or the dust absorber, you really don't need them, and this dust absorber leaves like a horrible kind of film on the screen, so I would avoid this if I were you. Give it a polish and it should come out nice and clear. It's time now to place it in the rubberized mount. I think this little pack is really good for the money. I paid about £15 on Amazon and it gives you loads of protective screens, the rubberized mount case, the different lenses, the waterproof case, the carrying case, and anti-mist cloth for inside of here. Personally, I think it's a really good way to save some money damaging your lenses, and the case is pretty cool as well.